Hi there. Today we're going to talk about something that we have covered in class, prepositions of place and how they help us to give directions to someone in case that we need to, or understand in case we need to go from one place to another. So let's take a look. Do you remember this? This is some drawing that I asked you to put on your notebook. So we're going to go through that. So here we have some prepositions. Think about the ball. Where is the ball? Well, the ball is on the box. Here we have a box. Where is the ball? The ball is under the box. Here we have this box, caja, ball, pelota, under, abajo, of course, above. The ball is above the box. Please remember that these are not the same. On means encima de. On means like this. It means on. They have contact. One is on the other one. It's not the same like this. This is above, like the sun. Like the clouds, they are above us. They are not on us, but above. Okay, let's think about it and remember that. Now this one. The ball is in the box, inside. Like these markers, they are in this plastic jar. The ball is behind the box. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is between two boxes. It's between them. The ball is next to, out of the box, next to the box, next to it. A un lado. Up, down, up or down. We also did some writing, like for example these verbs, walk or go. They are not the same. Walk is caminar. Go is ir. So you need to remember those one because normally we are going to use that. Keep straight, seguir derecho, in case you don't understand the drawing. Turn to the left, turn to the right. Remember, normally the right is where, or the hand that we normally use to write. Most of the people use the right hand to write. That is the right, derecha. Left is the other one. Cross, walk across, crossing. Cruzar. Corner, like in soccer, la esquina. And the other vocabulary that we need to remember, streets and blocks, cuadras, calles. A street is a place where you can go from one point to another one, and that crosses with many others that covers the same purpose. We also did something like this. Imagine this one. The house is on the street. It's on the street. Next to. The house is next to this point. This point is between two houses. This point is on the corner of this street and this street. This place is near, cerca. This place is opposite this house, opposite, across from this house. Around the corner, a la vuelta de la esquina, alrededor de la esquina. In front of, behind. These expressions, we know them from the previous picture, right? From this one. We know them from this picture. On, next to, next to, in front of. We know them. These are the expressions, the same expressions, and we use them to give instructions to go from one point to another. This is something that we covered in class, how to go from one point to another. For example, going from school to the hotel. Well, in this case, the instruction, if I want to go to the hotel, will be turn to the right, like I'm doing here. Turn to the right. Remember, you need to remember that you're here. Imagine yourself that you are here. So turn to the right or turn south. Remember? Cardinal points. Turn south, turn to the right. And what's next? Because I want to go to this place, to the hotel. What I need to do? Well, we can say go straight for 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3 blocks. Or we can say go south for 3 blocks. Or go to Central Street. This is Central Street. And we end this instruction by saying the hotel is at your right. Because I'm heading south, porque yo voy hacia el sur, el hotel está a mi derecha. Imagina que vas en el auto. Right? Let's imagine that I want to go from the school to the shopping mall. What can I do? Well, maybe we can follow this road like this, then like this, then like this, and we will be here. So we need to say something like this. Go straight to 3rd Avenue. This is 3rd Avenue. Go straight to 3rd Avenue. Turn south or turn to the right. Turn south, turn to the right to Central Street. Then turn left or turn east. That means that we will go like this. Let's draw it so we can understand better. So first, go straight for 2 blocks or go straight to 3rd Avenue. Recuerda que lo puedes decir de diferentes formas. Ve derecho por 2 cuadras o ve derecho hasta la 3rd Avenida, at 3rd Avenue. You can say it both ways. It's going to work. Now turn south or turn right or turn to the right. You can say it in any way that you prefer. Turn south, turn to the right. That is the instruction that we have here, turning to the south, turning right. And then we need to say that we are going to walk or go for 1, 2 blocks, or we can say go to Central Street. This is another way to say it. So I'm going to say go to Central Street. Voy o ve hacia Central Street. And this is it. In Central Street, turn to the left or turn east. Turn to the left, turn to the left again, or turn east. Now, walk for 1 block, 2 blocks, you can say 2 blocks, but you can say walk for 1 block, or walk to 4th Avenue, go to 4th Avenue, whatever you prefer. Go east for 1 block, that will be a different way. Go east for 1 block, and the shopping mall is at your right. Remember, you're facing this way. Recuerda que estás caminando hacia acá, por lo tanto tu derecha sería esta. The shopping mall is at your right. And that's the way to give instructions. Think about one way to go from one place to another. Piensa cómo ir de un lugar a otro y trata de hacerlo por tu propia cuenta. We also did this exercise in class, remember? También hicimos este ejercicio en clase. Now take a look at all these situations that you're going to have here. About the apple. Is the apple under the tent? This is the tent. Behind the tent or next to the tent? Is the girl in front of the car, in the car, on the car? Is the boy behind, on or next to the box? Are the shoes, the sneakers, in front of the table, in the table, under the table? Is the girl in front of the bench, in the bench, next to the bench? Is the ball on the plant, in front of the plant, next to the plant. What do you think about it? Do a screenshot or take your time, pause the video and give the answers. If you say the apple is under the tent, you're right. What about the girl? Well, she is in front of the car. What about the boy? Is the boy on, behind, or next to the box? If you say behind, you're right. What about the shoes? Where are the shoes? Well, they are under the table. This little girl in the green dress is in front of the bench. Recuerda, si hay palabras que no conoces, escúchalas, repítalas. Bench, banca. What about the ball? Well, the ball is next to the plant. Next to the plant. Take a look at these ones. Pause the video. Pausa el video. Piensa cuáles son las respuestas, porque te voy a dar las respuestas en unos segundos. I am going to give you all the answers in a few seconds. Todas las respuestas en algunos segundos, ¿ok? Pausa y aquí vamos. And here you go. The cat is on the chair. The giraffe is behind the basket. The raccoon is next to the tree. The cat is in front of the window. The girl is behind the book. And the rat or the mouse is under the bench. Those are the answers. But what do you think about this? Here we have 4 questions. Think about which is the answer for each question. Is the apple under the tent? Is the girl in the car? Is the boy on the box? Are the shoes under the table? What is the answer? Pause the video so you can choose carefully your answer. Pausa el video para que elijas tus respuestas. A esta y a esta página. Where is the girl? Where is the ball? Where is the cat? Where is the girl again? Let's go back to the other one. Please pause the video because here we go with the answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and these are the answers. Is the apple under the tent? Yes, it is. Is the girl in the car? No, she isn't. She's in front of the car, not inside the car. Is the boy on the box? No, he isn't. He's behind the box. Are the shoes under the table? Are the shoes under the table? Yes, they are. Now, in some cases you need to clarify. For example, no, he isn't. He's behind. No, she isn't. She's in front. That's the reason we need to be able to answer this kind of questions. Ser capaces de contestar estas respuestas. Where is the girl? ¿Dónde está la chica? She's in front of the bench. Where is the ball? It is next to the plant. Where is the cat? It is on the chair. Where is the girl? She is behind the book. Tenemos que identificar los pronombres personales. Él, ella, eso, nosotros. She is, ella es. It is, él está, ella está. It is, eso, el gato, el animalito, está. She is behind. Ella está atrás de. Para ello es necesario y muy importante que recuerdes los pronombres personales. Si aún no los recuerdas, es necesario que los practiquemos. Y esto fue todo por hoy. This is all for today. Please remember that we are going to use these prepositions basically in most of the situations, and we need to remember how to express ourselves. She is in front, it is next to, it is on, and of course, get vocabulary. Tener mucho vocabulario, necesitamos adquirir muchas palabras y la única forma de lograrlo es mediante la práctica. Solo mediante la práctica vamos a ser capaces de dominar cualquier cosa, un idioma, un deporte, solo mediante la práctica. Please practice a lot. That's all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Bye.